This is our last day sa Brusco Coffee Shop project dito sa may Pande, Bulacan. Ano ba? Project Insights. First of all, Brusco Coffee Shop is a well-established coffee shop dito sa Pande, Bulacan. And for sure, mga tao dito sa Pande, Bulacan, and even sa mga karatig bayan, for sure kilala tong Brusco Coffee Shop. Brusco Coffee Shop has been around the industry mga around 3 years na. Nagsimula sila sa maliit na coffee shop and ito, kita nyo na ngayon, napakalaking at napaka-aesthetic na coffee shop dito sa may Pande, Bulacan. We were contacted by one of the owners and then nag-inquire kung magkano ba yung consultancy rate and ano yung services namin. And syempre, nagtanong kami ng basic questions. And then, fast forward, pumunta kami dito sa Brusco Coffee Shop and then nagtanong kami nagtingin kami kung paano ba yung operations nila, ano ba yung status ng store. Kasi usually, business owners usually na kukuha ng consultants kasi they want to increase their sales or maybe, alam mo yun, humihina na yung sales nila and they want to improve. Pero nagulat kami dito sa Brusco Coffee Shop kasi well-established siya. Kumikita talaga siya. Yung shop na to, malakas siya, malakas. Ayun lang yung masasabi ko. Now, ang gusto namin mangyari, mangyari ng mga owners, since 3 years na sila dito sa industry, they want to improve their system and then to standardize their platings, improve their platings, and add additional menu to offer sa mga customers. Ano ba yung mga services na ginawa namin dito sa Brusco Coffee Shop? First, on the first day, nag-food safety training kami. Yung mga staff kasi dito, alam ko, since matagal na sila sa food industry, meron silang basic knowledge ng food safety. Pero maganda pa rin na ma-retrain sila and then, kasi usually naman sa mga store, di ba, hindi naman maiiwasan na may mga kalimutan tayong mga bagay-bagay and then, there are things na hindi naman aware na food safety hazard pala. So on our first day, nagkanda kami ng food safety training sa mga magti-training or basically mga nasa kitchen. And then ayun sa kitchen side naman, nag-develop ng menu, standardized ang plating, and then inayos kasi yung workflow efficiency. So before we start the training, nagbigay ng kitchen layout kung saan pupunta yung mga equipment kung saan siya ilalagay in place. And then advise din kami na magpalagay ng mga exhaust hood, mag-add ng mga additional chillers and other equipment na kailangan para sa operations ng store. As for me naman, admin work, and then I develop a food safety management system sa Brusco Coffee Shop. Siyempre, to ensure na hindi lang quality yung food na isa-serve, kundi safe din. Alam ko naman, based sa observation ko, ma-implement nila to, not instantly, pero siguro piece by piece. And then, from there, masasabi natin na magiging okay na yung system. And bukod dun sa food safety management system na na-develop ko for Brusco Coffee Shop, nagbigay na rin ako ng store operation procedures. Kasi actually magaling yung owner, si Sir Gael, one of the owners of Brusco Coffee Shop. Kasi although wala silang documentation ng store operations manual, pero the way na nag-operate yung store all throughout these years, parang wala masabi. Pwede na nga siya maging consultant din. Kudos din sa brother niya, si Sir Lance, kasi the way he leads the kitchen, okay talaga. Maganda yung synergy ng kitchen, tsaka bar. Ayun, ang ganda ng sistema ng Brusco Coffee Shop. So, na-appreciate namin na there are people na they want to improve their business, not just because alam mo yun, bumababa yung sales or what. Gusto nila mag-improve talaga. They keep on upgrading their system, their items, their everything. From operations to menu, lahat. Gusto mong upgrade. So, ayun ang insights ko for this project, and congratulations sa Brusco Coffee Shop dito sa may Marilag Street, Pande, Bulacan. Nabuways yan.
mag-vlog ngayon. Sir, ano oras kayo maglaro?
Sir Fox, medyo nakagaling yung brand sa taas.
Sir, okay lang. Sama sa video.
Ano lang sir, Gcash na lang.
Gcash.
Discount na lang. Okay lang.
So we're here sa Brusco Kitchen and nagpe-prep sila sa photo shoot ng mga dishes. So here we have Sir Gail and Chef Lance. Sila yung mag-manage ng buong store. Tapos sa first station natin, si Sir Kenneth sa appetizers. Ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Ito po yung shredded lettuce po para po sa toppings ng nachos po. Sa dirty fries po.
Dirty fries. Ano pa yung mga items mo na sinaserve as appetizer?
Meron po tayong nachos, dirty fries, salad, spicy tuna sandwich, and grilled cheese sandwich. Yun po yung in-offer natin.
Ilang minutes mo isa-serve ang nachos natin?
Approximately, chef, mga 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Ang tagal ng 5 minutes, Meg! Hindi pwede 5 minutes.
Nag-high-tech pa lang.
Kaya ka naman dito, bro. Kasi, moving next station is, here we have Sir Zach. Anong station mo?
Fryer po.
Fryer. So, ano yung ginagawa mo?
Baka nag-prito po ng chicken tenders.
So, makita.
Fries.
So, nag-prito siya ng chicken tenders and then chicken sandwich. So, meron siyang meron siyang two types of breading. Chicken parmigiana breading and then chicken tenders or fried chicken breading. Kasi ito yung egg wash niya. So, explain mo nga yung workflow mo dito. Let's say may manoma. Ano yung mangyayari?
Ano sir, pag may order, dito ko po isi-season. And then, lalagyan ko lang po dyan. Tapos fry ko na po. Ganun lang po.
Nakadali. So, madali lang yung station niya. Kita niyo yung efficient workflow, workspace, egg wash, chicken, tapos diretso prito. Rapper din to eh. Ano ba? Parang yung Zay. Pinamigyan namin yung kanta mo kagabi. 10 toes down. Next is rice meals. So here we have Sir James. Sir James, ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Ano po, nag-backup tayo ng egg po natin para sa rice meal po natin.
So ang ginagawa niya type of scrambled egg kasi yung mga pang hotel na style. Kasi scrambled egg pero creamy this time instead of one fried egg. Kasi ito mas mabilis. Pag marami ka nang naluto na batch, pwede mo na siya i-serve na maramihan na isa-isa. Ano pa yung mga items na sinaserve mo sa rice?
Sa rice meals po natin, ang mga items po natin dito is may tocino po tayo, meron tayong bangus, meron po tayong magnet, and meron po tayong tapa.
Sir, baka ano na lang, close up. Professional egg cook. Professional world's fastest egg. So, sa next station natin is burger or griddle station, which is kay JC. So, ano yung pinaprep mo ngayon, sir?
Hindi na number po ako ng bacon jam, sir, for the burger po. Backup po siya.
Backup. So, yung bacon jam is may sweetened onions, tapos bacon. Si pasta. Ito yung favorite station kay pinakamadaling station, pizza. So here we have Sir Bert.
Yes sir.
Ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Nakatapos ko lang mag-backup ng bacon. Ginisa ko lang. Ininit ko lang.
So ito, if mapansin nyo yung station niya, ito yung pizza. Meron yung yellow sa ilalim para hindi mapanis. Ito yung sauce, mozzarella cheese, tsaka iba niyang toppings. Then, ito yung workspace niya. Dito siya maglalagay ng flour. Tapos, sa station niya, tatalikod na lang siya magagawa ng pizza. So, ito yung kiln. So, ito yung kiln pizza oven. So, makagawa ka ng mga 2 to 3 minutes of pizza here. Ito yung sample workflow niya. Hindi ako gumalaw. Efficient eh. Efficient eh. Kung meron man ako footsteps, ganito na lang eh. Next here we have Sir Wilmar. Anong station ka, sir?
Pasta po.
Ano yung piniprep mo?
Nagpapako po ako for bolognese sauce and for nachos, dirty fries, ayun po.
Sir, pwede pa explain yung station.
Ayun po.
Yung mga sauces mo.
Meron po tayong sauces, bolognese sauce, pesto sauce, and marinara sauce po. Then, pagluluto po natin is more on sauté po. Puro pan po yung gagamitin po natin. And then, kailangan po may kasamang water pa natin.
Thank you, sir. Sir Jake, so masasabi mo bang sa temperature danger zone tayo pag meron tayong yellow dito sa mga sauces? Mapasok ba tayo, Sir Jake? Food safety officer.
Actually, hindi natin malalaman kung hindi natin i-check yung temperature kung thermometer. Pero, since meron naman tayong ice dito, for sure, malalesen naman yung temperature danger zone. Feel ko wala, sa tingin ko wala naman ako nakikita sa gagawin.
Food safety officer check. So, ang iniiwasan lang naman natin na temperature danger zone is for 3 hours. So, ano ba yung temp na yun? Basically, room temp. So, ito, hindi na to room temp kasi meron na siyang yellow. Parang naglagay ka ng chiller pero portable lang. Portable. Gawin sa akin. Ito na yung dispatch. Hindi, mamaya na yung dispatch. Here we have Chef Lance. Chef Lance, kamusta yung
Hi, good afternoon.
preparations natin?
So far, we're doing good naman each day by day. May progress naman na nakikita kami ni Chef. Big thanks din kay Chef dahil hindi din dahil sa kanya, hindi namin may improve ng ganito ka-smooth tsaka ka-efficient yung workflow ng team. At the same time, yung stations bawat isa hindi naman napapabayaan. And then, makikita mo talaga yung dedication ng bawat isa sa mga ginagawa nila. And as sa soft launch pa lang namin, we're happy agad doon sa results na nakuha namin. And day by day, tatry namin i-improve pa, ilabas pa yung mas best version ng mga sarili namin. Dahil nga nang sabi ko sa kanila, nabanggit din ni Chef, meron kami ngayong pictorial about our products, new products. And gaya na sabi ko sa kanila earlier, wag niyong gawin yung food nang dahil may pictorial tayo. Gagawin natin yun dahil yun yung standard. At the same time, yun yung quality na hinahanap ng customers natin. So, deserve nila yun, bigay natin sa kanila yun. Makikita nila kung ano yung binayaran nila.
Amen.
Amen.
Very promising chef
Yes.
na galing sa Ember. So ngayon, maging head chef na Brusto and magmamanage. And for sure, lahat ng pagkain lalabas ng smooth dahil nandito si Chef Lab.
Thank you po.
Kasi si Sir Guy. So, saglit lang, sir. So here, we have Sir Guy. So, sir, ano yung na-feel mo ngayon sa mga preparations natin tsaka soft launching ng new menu?
First of all, syempre sobrang excited. No? Kasi lahat kami adjustment period. Yung team, bago sa kanila yung ganitong setup, they're very excited. Pero syempre yung 3 days naman na training natin, naniniwala ako na it is enough. And then considering na they are all skilled, with the experience and the skills that they have, yung team natin is solid talaga. So very excited for this soft launch.
Sorry. One last question. Since like, nag-grow nyo naman yung Brusco Shop, like, kilala na kayo sa area eh. Ano yung reason bakit pa talaga kayo nag-upgrade pa? Like, well-known na kayo, masarap na yung pagkain mo, and then marami rin napapasayang tao. So, ba't pa tayo mag-upgrade?
Sir, syempre, aside from bukod sa masarap na talaga yung food natin, we still want to level up the game, di ba? Syempre, hindi naman dun tayo natatapos lang eh. We have to be 1% better every day, and syempre, to deliver the next level coffee house experience, especially to our to Bulakeños, Bandieños, or kahit saan man po kayo galing, we are here to serve you top tier foods po.
So, sir, invite niyo lahat ng mga tao dito.
Okay, so on behalf of Brusco Coffee Shop, we would like to invite everyone to visit us here at 9007 Marilag Street, San Roque, Pandi, Bulacan. We are open daily from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. to serve you quality food and drinks at an affordable price. So see you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, cut na.
From a hole in the wall to the palm of your hand. Coffee shop flows, pasta nights, dough that stacks. Burgers on the grill, yeah, we got your back. Turn your vision to a menu, spreadsheets in sync. Every number, every flavor, every pour, every drink. Recipes and revenue, yeah, it's all in the code. Building legacies from scratch, that's the life we chose. We the architects of flavor, hustle in the mix. Pouring knowledge like a shot, watch the numbers click. From the grind to the plate, yeah, we know what it takes. Food and beverage dreams, that's the life we make. Keyboard chords hit smooth.
Ng
Lay
Pacboy.
the foundation, build a dream. Strategies in motion, yeah, we don't miss. Consultants on the rise, let's handle this. Late nights, early flights, gotta stay on track. From the dough to the flow, never cut slack. We analyze trends, taste test the game. Every project a hit, put respect on the name. Clients wanna level up, we draw the map. Turn a little side hustle to a gourmet trap. Spreadsheets popping, profits on replay. Vision to reality, we pave that way. Be the architects of flavor, hustle in the mix.
Magkano to, sir?
Pouring knowledge like a shot, watch the numbers click. From the grind to the plate, yeah, we know what it takes. Food and beverage dreams, that's the life we make. Keyboard solo with the bassline tight. Violin strings in the neon light. It's the blueprint and the boss moves to life. Every step calculated, success amplified. Yeah, we consultants. The name holds weight. Serving up futures on a silver plate. From the beans to the bread, every niche, every lane. Food and beverage kings, yeah, remember the name.